The Succeed at CLC program teaches you the skills needed to be successful in and out of the classroom. With numerous events and programs, this free program will help you choose success and make it a priority. Our success workshops and events offer practical advice and tools to help you build essential skills and be successful in the classroom, in organizations, and in your personal and professional life.
Students don't always have the other types of skills that they need to be successful, such as time management, such as how to study, such as different learning styles. Success workshops will give students the tools they need on top of their native intelligence to be successful in college.
During my time here at CLC and attending those workshops, I've really developed a lot of skills that have made me successful in college, but also have prepared me for the real world and being successful in my career as well as personal life.
It's free and you get valuable information that you can apply to every area of your life, not just school, but in life in general.
I'm a third-year student here at CLC, and I've still gotten amazing knowledge from these workshops, not just the skills that I have, but also just being aware of the tools that CLC allows you to have and gives you to be successful.
I like presenting at success workshops because we give students the other information that they might not know about to help them be successful.
CLC is a very caring place. They want the students to succeed. They are invested in us. And in college, your teacher is actually your mentor, your help, your guide, somebody who can lead you into the future.
It's going to really enrich their education, and it really prepare them not only for school and classes, but it could also prepare them for their career.
Even if you're the best note taker on the planet and you go to the note-taking workshop, you might learn something you didn't even know you didn't know. They're very valuable to just, opening your horizons and broadening them. I'm the first person in my family to have to deal with FAFSA. The workshop really helped me. It helped me be able to explain that to my parents, who had no idea what they were doing.
From my first day here with my new student orientation, I felt the warm and welcoming vibe of CLC, and through my time here, it has shown that that is the entire experience between the faculty members, the advisors, and even your fellow students, that this place is one of the best places to be.
Whether you're looking to improve your study skills, build your leadership experience, develop your career goals, or increase your financial knowledge, the Succeed at CLC program has a workshop or event for you. Visit the Succeed website to view our complete calendar of events.